What is up, everybody? So today I actually have another bumper to paint. It's for my brother. He bought a 4th gen 2500 bumper for his 94 Ram. So I guess he's gonna be doing that bumper upgrade. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some 400 on my DA, buzz it down, and then I'll run over it again with the red scuff pad just to make sure I got everything real good. So I'll check back which I want to have it in the booth. All right, so the bumper's prepped quick and easy. Now I just gotta blow out my paint room, then wet it down and get it set up. Usual, I'll be using the matrix system, matrix clear, matrix beige. All right, guys, so I'm 3 coats in. I might put a 4th one on there just to kind of finish the paint. But I mean, it's looking good, full coverage and everything. So I mean, after the next coat, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the clear, mix it, and then spray it. All right, guys, so I got my last coat of base on there. While that's flashing, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my clear up. That way for when that's ready, good to go on spraying it. I'll tack it down one more time and then start laying down my first coat of clear. And then after that, we'll probably put about 3 coats on there and then we'll be done with that. And the next time you see it, it'll probably be going on the truck, I think. I know he wanted to get some like LED pods to put in the fog light compartments, but I'm not sure if he has everything or not, but. So I am done with the bumper. Sprayed 3 coats clear on it. Came out good, great, looking glossy. So now it's pretty much the waiting game. Let it flash, let it dry up, and I'll check it out tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the brackets the bumper. I got this Eastwood chassis black. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing and scuff them up with a red Scotch Brite and or scuff pad. I keep saying Scotch Brite, but I'll go ahead and do that and get those done. Good afternoon, guys. So my brother actually came in a little bit earlier today and installed the bumper on his truck. I'll probably be showing you guys a couple clips of that later on in the video. But since I'm here at the shop, I'm gonna go ahead and R&I the fuel tank on the Tahoe and probably the shocks. Just get all that stuff out of my way. And that might be it for today. I'm not sure, depending on how much time I got left after I do all that. But let's get to it. I'll set you guys up. Guys, so I actually had to make a quick run to the auto parts store to pick up some quick disconnects for the fuel lines. I actually want to break it off at the tank so I can pull that out and then just pull the lines out themselves. So let's try it one more time. All right, so the fuel tank's out. Now I got left is the lines, which I think they connect right here, or they splice them together right there. So I'll break them loose, pull the rest of the lines out, and then all I have left is the shocks. So keep. So we are pretty much done for today. I was able to remove the fuel tank, the fuel lines, pull the wiring harness far enough back to where it's out of my way. The only thing that's left to remove is the brake line, which I'm gonna have to find something to see if I can cap it off. That way it's not leaking on me. aside from that, it's pretty much clear. So next week I will start cutting the back of the Tahoe up and removing those 2 cross members in the frame. I didn't want to do that today just because the fumes for the gas are pretty strong, so I don't want something bad to happen. But with that being said, yeah, man, it's pretty much it for today.